This is Las Caletas. Wet coconut rain. Oh. We got off the boat right there at that dock. I feel like there was 100 people on the boat that brought us here, but only one boat came, and I only see 2 people here. So I don't know where everybody went, if it's that big of a place. There's a stairway up there. A store, it's closed. Hammocks. Well, there's a couple people there. Sign. Some things are that way, some things are that way. Buffet area. It's a beautiful setting. The ocean's a little rough to go snorkeling. 2 bridges. I'm gonna go this way. The road less traveled. Another bar, another buffet area. I gotta go this way. They have flamingos, and I guess they have parrots because I can hear them. And another buffet area. And a jungle. Daniel, this way.
Bamboo forest.
Thick bamboo. I hear parrots. Oh, I think we found the aviary, the parrot ranch. So I see some macaws. And macaws, you know why they're called macaws?
Yeah.
It's not because of their claws. It's because they're macaws. These aren't macaws. These are greens.
This one wants to be on camera.
One thing you should know about parrots is they love piñatas. Apparently. I'm gonna walk up there. So there's another sign, another bridge, a skeleton. And El Baño.
Need a whole one of those or 2 of those? Yeah. Over the same ones?
Adventure Park, Playa de Actividades, and Adventure Cove. Look at this tree. Oh, look at that beach. And there's hammocks and umbrellas out on the Gotta sprint to them. So the signs say to go that way. We're gonna go down. Plumeria. Of course it's stairs. Okay, nice stairs, concrete, rock inlaid for... Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if this goes all the way down. Oh, it must.
Well, we're pointing this way for a cooking class.
Which is right here. So I guess they have cooking classes. And they're getting ready to give us lunch, I suppose. And I see a path down there. It's a long way down. Feel like we're back where we were. You know, that's the bamboo forest right there ahead of us. But this is the path to the beach, I think. I hope. Yeah. So, a moment ago we were up there. Shower. Another bar.
Hola.
Hola. In the deep blue Pacific. Another bar. And I'm wet. But I've got my water shoes. That's the dock where we got off the boat. Oh, this might be a challenge.
Gotta time it.
Time it right, time it right, time it right, and go. And I didn't make it. Anyway, oh, lots of chairs over here. Maybe this is the kids' beach.
I was like, is that your left leg?
Or the beach.
Okay.
Group photo.
Ready to that way.
All right. Say port monkeys.
1, 2, 3.
I didn't hear him say port monkeys. Kayaks are included. Bar service is included. It's a nice sand beach, but got some big California waves. Oh no. Where to go? Huh. Got a hammock out here. Hammocks over here. Oh, look at these things. Ah. Something tells me we should have come here instead of over there. Brazil. Do not climb the rocks. Uh-oh. Am I climbing the rocks? I don't think so. I'm still wondering where people would snorkel here. I mean, maybe if it was calmer. It's But these are plumerias and seed pods from plumerias. And a path. How do you get out on that hammock without climbing on the rocks? So I think we've got a rope bridge coming up here. So that should be fun. Adults only beach. Ah. I wonder if it's going to be topless.
Nude beach?
Oh, Janet wants it to be nude. Shaky, shaky. Okay. And so here's some beds people have staked out. And I guess nobody's going for adults only. What's that dude there? I'm not sure we can make that. Oh. Well, let's wait for this wave. Oh no, it's not. It's going to barely make it. And let's go. Sea cave! Oh no! Well, at least I got one of these. Climbing on the rocks. Okay. Sea lions and rays, terrace bar, bathroom, and teen adventure cove. And he's digging a latrine. Now I have no idea what it is. This is steep going up, and my shoes are all soggy. So this is a place where nobody wants to sit. Just because there's too many other good places.